At ako pa ngayon ang tinatawag mong stupid, ha? Iba ka talaga, no?
With maturity comes true love as well. In one of her soap operas, Juday met the love of her life, Ryan Agoncillo.
Kung tatanungin mo ako kung paano siya as girlfriend, siguro puro papuri ang maririnig mo sa akin. No? Lahat na siguro ng magandang asal ng isang girlfriend, nakita ko na sa kanya. The first thing that I say is she's very maalaga talaga. Kahit kanino naman maalaga siya. Basta mahal niya, maalaga siya.
We talk about everything. We talk about Yuan's future. We talk about how many kids do we want to have in the future. What kind of house do we want to have. Pero hanggang usapan lang muna because I don't really want to pressure him.
Yes, of course.
With whatever's happening with us right now. Kumbaga, enjoy tayo ng ganito, eto na lang.
At siya din, he doesn't also want to pressure you kasi ang dami mo tayong gagawin pa sa buhay mo.
Oh, yes. At saka ako nga, sinasabi ko talaga, ako magpapakasal man ako, tatapusin ko na muna lahat ng kaso sa buhay ko because ayoko maging burden ng magiging asawa ko. Yung pinoproblema ko ngayon. Kasi bagong chapter na yun so dapat bagong buhay na rin yan. So, I will make sure na clean slate talaga lahat.
Alam mo, this is the first time that I've seen you this open with your feelings talaga. Alam mo yung magic ni Ryan sa'yo, grabe.
Tinuruan niya lang ako siguro maging honest sa lahat ng bagay because for so many years, di ba, ano ka lang yung deny ka sa ganito, deny ka sa ganyan, ano ka sa ganito. Parang ang sa akin niya, matanda na ako, ayoko nang mag-deny, ayoko nang magkunwari. I just want to be myself. And it's real, it's true na if you just want to be yourself, you're more happier, you're more confident, lahat na lang pwede mong sabihin more, iyong ka.
Pumunta na rin, sinabi ko masarap yung apritada eh.
Putsero to, Jet! Putsero! Hindi to apritada! Putsero! Paborito mong ulam!
Through Ryan's love and encouragement, she found the courage to pursue another craft, cooking. Very far from showbiz, but just as fulfilling for Juday.
Passion ko talaga eh. This time kapag pagod ako, pag nagluto ako, bago ako uwi ng bahay, magluluto pa ako sa bar niyan. Naging passion ko siya, and at the same time, icebreaker ko rin siya.
Nakakatawa kasi lumabas sa pelikula yung kung gaano kami kasarap na nagtrabaho.
Because of her natural charm, Juday continues to lure the support of the masses. She has been certified to be one of the biggest box office crowd drawers of all time.
So ano masasabi mo ang biggest achievement mo ngayon as an artist?
Yung nagagawa ko na lang lahat ng gusto ko at nasasabi ko lahat ng bagay na gusto ko sabihin. Siguro, dumating naman din siguro ako sa punto na pwede ko na sabihin lahat. Kaya ko nang tumanggap ng trabaho, pwede kong pagpilian. Na-enjoy ko na yung trabaho ko dati kasi hindi ko na siya na-enjoy dahil pagod na pagod ako eh. Ngayon, na-enjoy ko na siya. Awards, endorsements, yung alam mo ba, dumarating ako minsan sa punto ng buhay ko na, Lord, mabuti ba akong tao? Yung, gano'n ba akong kabuting tao? Bakit ang dami-dami kong blessings na dumarating? Hindi ako perfect. May kasalanan ako sa mga magulang ko, sa mga kapatid ko, may nagsisinungaling din naman ako. Hindi lang ngayon, ano? Pero, hindi ako perfectong tao. Pero natutuwa ako na ang dami-dami kong nagawa sa loob ng 2 taon.
And of course, just as long as you have good intentions sa buhay, you will never go wrong. Diba?
And the friends that I meet along the way, ikaw, si Aga, si Ate Sharon, sila Direk Chito, Direk Joey, these are the people na napapanood ko lang kayo, nababasa ko lang yung pangalan niyo, pero ngayon, grabing elbows ko na. Ano ko ba?
Sobrang ka naman.
Yung kaututang dila ko na, yung ang saya lang ng buhay ko. Thank you, Lord.
Sobrang ka naman. We've always been friends before. Baka ako tumayang nahiya. Ayan.
Nagmamalas ka ba?
Alam ko na lahat ng dahilan sa mundong to ay nasa sayo na.
Through the years, Juday has remained true to her calling. In 2007, she has won 2 Best Actress trophies for her portrayal of a newlywed in Kasal, Kasali, Kasalo.
Schedule niya, tingnan mo. Patong-patong na. Tatlo siyang araw na. May, ito yung birthday month niya, so ito niya, birthday niya yan, 30th birthday, sabi niya, yan. Sabi ko, sige, tuloy mo lang hanggang June. Ayan. Tinuloy hanggang June. Ano sinulat niya? Thanks to A. Mwah, love you.
Juday is showbiz royalty, a top celebrity endorser, a favorite cover girl, the epitome of how tenacity and hard work and determination can serve as the ladder to success. Indeed, Judian is perfect for the feminine product she is endorsing, which positions her as a modern woman, empowering all Filipino women to aim high and claim their destiny.
Now, Juday, what advice can you give sa lahat ng mga Pilipinas who also wish to be empowered like yourself?
Just trust yourself, trust God, live a happy life, be confident, and love yourself. Most importantly, love yourself. Make sure that whatever thing you do, you're just happy. Yun lang naman eh, kasi life is too short to, think about a lot of things. So you just have to be happy and be prepared sa kung ano mang trials ang darating sa buhay niyo. And masarap kung explore ka na explore, adventurous, yung iba-iba yung ginagawa mo, iba-iba yung nakikita mong tao. Just do what you want. Trust yourself, trust your instinct, and importante lang na talagang may isang taong maniniwala sa'yo.
And that's what you're doing sa buhay mo ngayon.
Oh, yes.
So, ano ba ang sikreto mo sa success?
Trabaho lang talaga na maayos. As long as wala akong taong tinatapakan along the way and nagtatrabaho ako ng malinis, wala kang dinidehado, I think marating mo naman kung ano yung gusto mong marating. As long as you're happy, you're kind to everyone, and you have a good soul.
She struggled, worked hard, went through her own crisis with weight, acceptance, love, and relationships. And she eventually reached the sweet success. And if that's not yet enough, she even leaped into producing movies.
Alam mo, I'm enjoying the new Judy Ann Santos. Ang pagbabago ni Judy Ann. Mas open siya ngayon. Ikaw ba to?
Sandali, hindi ako to.
I like the fact that you're more confident with yourself. Mas open ka talaga sa mga trials, sa mga struggles na pinagdaanan mo sa buhay. It's even made you an even more beautiful person.
Thank you.
And I'm happy that you found yourself. Happy in your own skin.
Bukod sa pagiging award-winning actress niya, bukod sa pagiging sikat na niya, pinaka-proud ako sa kanya dahil babaeng-babae siya. Hindi siya iniba ng success niya. Furthermore, it made her a better woman talaga.
In show business, it's easy to focus on the glitz and the glamour and overlook the scars and real-life tears of actors and actresses. But then, it's exhilarating to also look at the pain one has gone through to make the success sweeter and more meaningful. This is Judy Ann Santos, all grown up with her head steadily resting on her shoulders with all the right values nestling in her heart. She is proudly Filipina.